Hello, this is Abhinav Jha, a student from Dr. D.Y. Patel Akudi. Today I am here to tell you about my final year project which we have developed, I along with my group members Sahana Anji and Anuja Dakne, under the guidance of Professor Naresh Kumar sir. Our project name is Superintendent Cyborg. Superintendent Cyborg. An anime character or like a giant or a robot. What it is? Let's find out what it is. This project is a combination of both hardware and software. We have designed this project to implement the basics need as well as the basic problem which we are facing in our day-to-day life and to overcome it. So our main aim is to manage the inventory of sales market, library as well as medical systems like medicine places. So what are the problems which we are facing? Normally we go in a supermarket, we never get a product at a right place. Like Parle-G will be not that place. It will then Monaco place and Monaco will be there in Marigold place. Yeah, this problem which we are facing a lot. Second problem which we are facing is like suppose I have bought this product. Oh, I forgot to check the expiry date. Oh, I have to go again and I have to buy another product. Third problem. Normally as we are the students, we read many books. Now, which book I have to read next? We have built a recommendation system for this. Next, I am facing some problem. Fever. Oh, which medicine I should take? My dad told me this medicine is good. Sorry, this medicine is not there at your place. Now, which medicine I should buy? We will buy the next medicine. We will recommend you to buy this medicine or that medicine. So, this is our system. Now what is our system? Let's see. As you can see, there is a chassis at the down which will have the wheels, and the system heart is microcontroller Raspberry Pi along with Node MCU. These are the hardware components that are going to drive our system. There will be a robotic arm which is going to pick the product and keep it in its place. And there will be a camera which is used to identify the objects like this is Parle-G or this is Monaco. And there will be a LCD screen. Why LCD screen? LCD screen will be there to interact with you guys, to interact with the user experience. Now our project is divided into several parts. The design modules are there. As you can see, the first module is normal registration. You can do registration by two parts, along with your phone or along with our system. Like Superintendent, please come here. We will register the product. Yeah. The next our product, the second module is our book recommendation system. I told you it uses the data science algorithms to tell you a self-generated data science algorithm tell which is the best book for you. After reading this, I have read suppose a book. Now which is a new recommendation for me? The third one, that interesting. It's a medical recommendation system. Suppose you are facing problem, with the help of data science algorithm, it will tell you the next alternative medicines of that particular disease. Fourth one is the expiry date. It will use the image recognition and tell you that this product is expired. Please don't take this product. With the help of ML as well as deep learning. About the fifth part, an interesting part. The part is the analyzing the things. Now what will be there? Suppose this is all the now we have discussed for the customers. There should be something for the admin. Really? Yes, there should be something for admin. This we have developed to tell them which is the best product for them, which is why they should use this product. Normally we face this problem. We go in a particular store and the trending things are not there. Even the shop owners also don't know. Oh, we will tell them. Actually your product is not there. Please buy this product. This product is at very much need. So please buy this product. We are going to tell even the customers also, like you have bought aloo bhujia. The alternative of this aloo bhujia is this company's aloo bhujia. Why? This is recommended by many of the people. So it will be something we are interested with this. Our next system is the position tracking system and image recognition model. The image recognition model will be what? Our bot will be used with the help of AI. We have trained the bot to identify the objects, like several objects like milk packet, biscuits, etc. The last our model is the position tracking algorithm. We have used the concept of deep learning here, and we have identified the joints of the bot like this joints, this, and this. This why we need this? We need this to give our arm the perfect position to hold the object. So this concludes our final year project which include all the technology stacks like IoT, DL, machine learning, AI, big data, data science, robotics. We have covered all the phases of the industry 4.0 technology, and our main aim is to make something which will enhance the user experience. And normally, like as we all know that Walmart has given a study, 33% of the people or 33% of the shares they have lost. Why? Because no one goes till now in the supermarket. Why? These were the problems which we have faced. So we have created a solution which will help again users like you and us to go there and to see all the places and enhance the places. So this concludes our final year project. In future we will develop more things, and as you can say, this project is patent, as well as this project is sponsored by a company named Motion 360, and we're going to deploy this project, or we have got even two organizations who are going to take this project. First one is the Motion 360, and the second is our college. We're going to install it. It is in our college near the library. So you're going to interact with a real bot, a bot which is just like you and I. So you're going to interact with him and make predictions and enjoy. Hello, thank you.